तुम घबरा क्यों रहे हो? Why are you being panic? Why are you being panic? क्या आप इसे जल्दी कर सकते हैं? Can you make it fast? Can you make it fast? तुरंत अंदर आओ. Come in immediately. Come in immediately. वह सुबह से टीवी देख रहा है. He has been watching TV since morning. He has been watching TV since morning. वह अक्सर जाती है. She often goes. She often goes. मैं शायद ही कभी वहां जाती हूँ. I rarely go there. I rarely go there. वह बहुत देर लगा रही है. She is taking too late. She is taking too late. वह कुछ कहने की स्थिति में नहीं है. He is not a condition to say anything. He is not a condition to say anything. बात को हंसी में मत उड़ाओ. Don't laugh away the matter. Don't laugh away the matter. तुमसे कोई मिलने आया है. Someone has come to meet you. Someone has come to meet you. मैं आपसे सोमवार को मिलूंगा. I will see you on Monday. I will see you on Monday. बिस्तर पर खाना मत गिराओ. Don't drop the food on the bed. Don't drop the food on the bed. इससे मत खेलो. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. कुछ ठीक नहीं है. Nothing is all right. Nothing is all right. बस तुम ही मेरी आशा की किरण हो. You are the only hope for me. You are the only hope for me. तुमने कहने के लिए कुछ नहीं छोड़ा. You left nothing to say. You left nothing to say. अब कब मुलाकात होगी? When will we meet again? When will we meet again? मन तो किया उसे थप्पड़ लगा दूं. I felt like slapping him. I felt like slapping him. हर चीज की हद होती है. There is a limit for everything. There is a limit for everything. तुम मुझसे बात करने की कोशिश भी मत करना. Don't even try to talk to me. Don't even try to talk to me. चाहे जो भी हो जाए, मैं यह करूंगा. I will do it no matter what. I will do it no matter what. मैं तुम्हें नहीं छोड़ूंगा. I will not spare you. I will not spare you. मुझसे बहस करने का कोई फायदा नहीं है. It's useless to argue with me. It's useless to argue with me. उसे समझाने का कोई जरूरत नहीं है. There is no need to make her understand. There is no need to make her understand. वह पहले से ही समझदार है. She is already sensible. She is already sensible. वह दूसरों की नहीं सुनती है. She doesn't listen to others. She doesn't listen to others. यह चाकू तेज है. This knife is sharp. This knife is sharp. काम से जी मत चुराओ. Don't shirk the work. Don't shirk the work. ऐसा कैसे हो गया? How did it happen? How did it happen? हमें कितने बजे मिलना चाहिए? What time should we meet? What time should we meet? तुम मोटे हो गए हो. You have put on weight. You have put on weight. अभी भी पर्याप्त समय है. We still have enough time. We still have enough time. मैं फिर कभी आऊंगा. I will come some other time. I will come some other time. वह काफी अच्छा गा लेता है। He sings good enough. He sings good enough. आप जा सकते हैं। You may leave. You may leave. तुम कोशिश क्यों नहीं करते हो? Why don't you try? Why don't you try? तुमने मुझे मना ही लिया। You sold me. You sold me. मुझे खबर देते रहना। Keep me updated. Keep me updated. मैं इस वक्त कुछ नहीं कह सकता। I can't say anything right now. I can't say anything right now. मैं मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूँ। I am not joking. I am not joking. यह इसके लायक नहीं है। It's not worth it. It's not worth it. इसमें शक की कोई गुंजाइश नहीं है। There is no room for doubt. There is no room for doubt. मैं थोड़ा व्यस्त हूँ। I am a bit tied up. I am a bit tied up. क्या तुम कल फ्री हो? Are you free tomorrow? Are you free tomorrow? क्या मैं कल आ सकता हूँ? Can I drop in tomorrow? Can I drop in tomorrow? मैं वादा नहीं कर सकता। I can't commit. I can't commit. जो हो रहा है होने दो। Let nature take its course. Let nature take its course. मुझे आपकी बात अच्छी लगी। I found your point interesting. I found your point interesting. ये तौलिया नम लग रहा है। This towel feels damp. This towel feels damp. उसे क्या लगता है? What does she think? What does she think? मुझे नहीं लगता यह आसान है। I don't think it's easy. I don't think it's easy. मैं सब कुछ भूल गया। My mind went blank. My mind went blank. मैं हंसी रोक नहीं पाया। I couldn't help laughing. I couldn't help laughing. आप कुछ भी ठीक कर सकते हैं। You can fix anything. You can fix anything. भगवान आपको लंबी उम्र दे। May you live long. May you live long. इससे दूर रहो। Stay out of this. Stay out of this. आज क्यों नहीं? Why not today? Why not today? जब आप फ्री होना मुझे बता देना। Tell me when you are free. Tell me when you are free. यह बेहतर हो सकता है। This could be better. This could be better. कल जरूर आना। Do come tomorrow. Do come tomorrow. अंदर बाथरूम में कौन है? Who is in the bathroom? Who is in the bathroom? उसने मुझे मैसेज भेजा। He sent me a message. He sent me a message. तुमने मुझे जगा दिया। You woke me up. You woke me up. मैं कभी हार नहीं मानूंगा। I will never give up. I will never give up. उसे घूरो मत। Don't stare at him. Don't stare at him. वह दबे पांव कमरे में घुसा। He tiptoed into the room. He tiptoed into the room. वह हंसने लगा। He began to laugh. He began to laugh. वह जाने लगा। He began to go. He began to go. तुम रोने लगे। You began to cry. You began to cry. मैं सोचने लगा। I began to think. I began to think. तुम खाने लगे। You began to eat. You began to eat. तुम सोने लगे। You began to sleep. You began to sleep. वह आने लगा। He began to come. He began to come. वह दौड़ने लगा। He began to run. He began to run. तुम शायद सही हो। You may be right. You may be right. इसमें वक्त लगेगा। It will take time. It will take time.